I'm going to go ahead and teach you a dance called 4-3-2 cha. It's a 32 alto beginner step. You're going to start with your left foot. It is a 4-wall dance. So, starting with your left foot, you're going to rock, recover. Rock, recover, triple step or cha-cha step, starting with your left foot. Cha-cha-cha, step back on the right. Recover, and cha-cha-cha to your left. Left together, cha-cha-cha. Right together, cha-cha-cha. Let's do this again with the count. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 5, 6, 7, and 8. With your left foot, you're going to cross. Cross over right, recover, cha-cha-cha. Right foot, cross, recover, cha-cha. One more time, cross, recover, cha-cha. Right foot, cross, quarter turn, cha-cha-cha. This is your next wall to your right. Let's do that again with a count. 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 5, 6, 7, and 8. Now cross, recover, and cross. Cross, cross quarter turn, new wall, cha-cha, and 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And cross, and cross, and cross, and cross. Quarter turn, cha-cha-cha. 1, 2, cha-cha, back, and cha-cha. To your left, cha-cha, to the right, cha-cha. This is your third wall. Quarter turn, cha-cha-cha. 1, 2, back, to your left, to the right, cross, 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 cross quarter turn, cha-cha-cha, and you did all 4 walls. Thank you for watching. Give me a like, subscribe. I will have the music on my playlist. Visit us on our website under the sun, linedance.com, and stay safe.